What's up, guys? So took the car out last night, fired it up for the first time with the bass tune map loaded. I heat cycled the car in the garage for, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, shut it off, did the same thing again. No leaks, no check engine light, and took it out last night. So everything was good, no problems, no boost leaks. Car feels good. The new downpipe is pretty throaty. It's kind of annoying, honestly, but needed. So last night it was fun. You know, the car's only making wastegate pressure, spring pressure, which is 15 psi, and I hit close to that. It was like 13.8, so a little under 15, but no problems. Everything was great, so I'm super happy about that. Sent the base map login, and I had the stock injectors in the car for the tuner, but I did have the XDI fuel pump installed, which is right there. He wanted the stock injectors in there to get a baseline and see fuel trims, and now we'll start with the tuner. Said he's going to start with the RS injector slope, and we'll see what happens with tonight's log. So I have another base tune with the for the XDI injectors and the XDI fuel pump, which is already in there. I just pulled the intake manifold off. This was actually really fast. I think I did this in like 15 minutes. But intake manifold's off. I've got all four brand new XDI 2000cc injectors in there. I'm gonna pop the fuel rail back on, pop this thing back on there. I do need to jack up this side of the car. I forgot to the bottom of those catch cans. I've got two drain tubes that are 3/8 fuel line, and they're just kind of, I don't know where they are. So I got to make sure those are pulled down through the bottom of the car. And then another fun thing last night, I didn't want to put the cowl or front bumper back on the car just in case I had an issue. And in doing so, I'm an idiot and destroyed both front fender liners. So it looks like they'll still bolt back up. And luckily the ECU is still somewhat protected from the elements, but I'll have to get those replaced. Ford's got them in stock. They're less than $100 for the pair. So I will post another video once I get some more tuning done, and then post some V-dyno graphs. And one of these days I will get the car on an actual rolling dyno, hopefully a Mustang dyno, and we'll get some numbers. Thanks.